Hey guys, it's 7:30 in the morning, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you my hair system routine with a 96 office job. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I do install and take off my hair system on a daily basis, and I've been doing this for 8 years. Just like most of you guys, I also had concern whether this is gonna be very time consuming and impractical. And I can tell you the answer is no. Over the years, putting on a wig has become part of my life, just like some people had to do makeup in the morning and some people had to put on the contact lenses. And putting on a wig is really not more difficult than that. And now I'm just gonna show you my 1 minute routine of how I install the wig every morning. Literally just 1 minute. Okay, first of all, you need to be familiar with where you want your hairline to start, which is usually 4 fingers above your eyebrows. Since I'm using a lace on the front and the middle, skin based on the sides, this type of hybrid hair system, which is by the way my favorite, I've already applied the tapes on the sides, so I could just easily press the system on my head every morning, and I do change the tapes about once a week. And for the frontal lace, I'm using Toupee hairspray because it's light and easy to clean. And I do have a very detailed video of how I install this type of hybrid hair system using the same method. You can just click on the link over there. Once the hairspray is dry, I'm just pressing down the frontal lace to make sure it's nicely melted and looking natural. So yeah, hair of the day is done. Less than 1 minute, less than the time you need for brushing your teeth. But of course, if you're a beginner, it might take a little bit more time and effort. But believe me, this is super easy to learn, and once you become skilled, it's really nothing more than just changing your t-shirts. Alright, after a day of working, I'm back home and now it's time for bed again. Taking off the system is even easier. As I mentioned before, I change the tapes about once a week, so I could just take it off and put it on again next morning. So now, if you're an evening shower person, you can just wash your head as usual before bed. But if you're a morning shower person, you can also just wipe your head with a wet towel. Then you're ready for bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.